In this video, we're going to have a look at ways of automating multiple browser windows using Selenium and Java. Okay, so here I am at my IntelliJ IDE. I have already written the setup wherein I am initializing my WebDriver using Bonnie Garcia's WebDriver Manager. Then I'm implementing some page load and implicit waits. And then after that, I'm maximizing my window. And for the purposes of this video, we would be using the Internet Heroku app. Let's have a look at what we would be working with. Okay, so I'm at the internetherokuapp.com. Here I will click on multiple windows. Okay, this provides me a click here link, and on clicking this link, it opens a new window. Pretty simple app, okay, and perfect for demonstration and practice. So this is what we would be doing in code. First, we would open this page, we would click on this element, and then we would print this new window text, right? And let's inspect this first. So we'll print the h3 tag, or yeah, we'll print the h3 tag. And for the new window, it would be as new window. And I guess for the previous one, let's inspect this also. Yeah, for the parent window, it would be opening a new window, and for the new window, it should be new window itself. Okay, so this would be our verification tactics, right? Let's do this in code. Okay, so I've written my code. Here I am first getting the page. Then I am extracting the h3 tag and getting the text from it and storing it in parent window h3. Then I'm just printing that out. And after that, I have put in a demarcation so that we can differentiate these two prints in the output. And then I'm clicking on the click here link. That would be this particular link. So when I click on it, this will open me a new window. After that, once again, I'm getting the h3 element and extracting the text from it, and then printing out that h3 element. So what I expect over here is that once I click on this particular window, I should get child window written over there, right? Okay, so let's first run this once. Okay, so as we saw, it first opened the Internet Heroku app, then it clicked on click here, and then it opened the new window, and my focus shifted to the new window. Let's just verify this from our logs. In our console output, we can see that opening a new window is printed twice. Now, this is contrary to what we saw while execution, right? We saw that this page was opened, then it clicked on click here, and then there was a new page that opened, and our focus was on this page, right? But somehow, this information is not communicated to Selenium. We need to actually provide this information explicitly. So we need to explicitly tell Selenium that a new window has opened and you need to switch the focus to the new window. Otherwise, Selenium will keep on working with the window it was previously on. So in order to do this, I would be making the following changes in my code. Okay, so I have finished my code. Here, first I am getting the handle of the parent window. For that, I am using get window handle. Handle is like the unique identifier for every window, and get window handle returns a string. So I'm saving it in a string parent window handle. Then I'm just printing that out. Next, after clicking on click here to open the new window, so I'm getting all available window handles. And this get window handles returns a set of strings. So I'm storing it as in a set, and then I'm iterating through that set. And sorry, I've used the wrong one over here. Okay, then I'm iterating through the entire set. And in case my window handle is not equal to my parent window handle, I'm switching to that particular handle. Right. Over here, I haven't applied a break, so this will switch to the last available window. And in our case, since we are opening just one new window, it will switch to the next window. And then as things were happening earlier, I'm searching for the S3 tag and I'm just printing that particular S3 tag. Right. Let's see what output we get from this code. Let's look at our console output. So here I can see that first it was on my parent window, hence I got the text opening a new window, then it printed out the ID of the parent window or the handle of the parent window, and then I can see that new window was printed, so my switch was successful. Right. Next, how do we switch back? Well, that's pretty simple. We have already stored what my parent window handle is, so we can just do a driver.switch to dot window handle again. So I would do. Okay, so in order to switch back, I've done a driver.switch to dot window again, and this time I'm providing the window handle of my parent window. And just to verify that, I'm again searching for the h3 tag and I'm printing its content. Let's run this once. Fine. So I got one test case pass. Let's just verify it from our logs. So in my console output, I can see I got opening a new window. The new window was open. Then I can see switching back to the parent window. That's the print statement that I provided before I made the attempt to switch back. And then it's opening a new window again. So I can confirm that the switch was done properly. Good. Okay, so next, what would you have to do if you just want to close the child window? To do that, first you would have to navigate to the child window, or rather, first you would have to switch to the child window, and then use driver.close to close the current window, right? That would be the child window itself, since you have already made the switch to it. And then you switch back to your parent window. Okay. So we have already done most of those steps in our current code. So we are switching to the child window, and after making the switch, we would just have to do a driver dot close. Okay, just to reiterate, driver dot close would close the current active window, right? It will not quit the driver, so it will not close Chrome. It will just close the current active window, or rather the current active tab. Okay, now let's see this in action. Fine. So our test case passed, and as we saw, things worked correctly. That was all for today's topic, guys. Thank you for watching this video and hope you have a good day.